In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily delete a YouTube video, whether it's your own or whether it's someone else's that you have saved to a playlist. I'm going to show you really quickly here on desktop, and then I will show you on your mobile device. You're going to want to know how to do this on your desktop because if you are editing YouTube videos with your phone, you will want to upgrade at some point to a desktop or a MacBook Pro like I use right here. First thing, go to Customize Channel, or you can go to your avatar in the top right-hand side and go to YouTube Studio. Let's go this route. Next, looking at the left-hand side, go to Content, and you can see all of the YouTube videos that you have created. Hover over one of the YouTube videos that you would like to delete. So right here, let's just say this one, how to verify your YouTube channel account. You can see these three dots or this ellipsis, click Options. Now I can go ahead and click Delete Forever, and then YouTube is going to give you this prompt, permanently delete this video. You would click this. I understand that deleting is permanent and cannot be undone. You could download the video if you wanted it for your own purposes, but just delete it off YouTube. You could download first and then click Delete Forever. The option is yours. And here's how to easily delete a YouTube video from your mobile device. This works for Android or iOS. Make sure that you go into the YouTube application. You can see right here. I'm currently on my home screen. You want to make sure that you are in the correct YouTube channel. I have several YouTube channels, so if that isn't you, no need to worry, but click your avatar here on the top right-hand side just to ensure that you are in the correct one. Yep, I'm in the correct YouTube channel in which I want to delete a YouTube video. I'm going to exit out of there. And then going here to the bottom right-hand side, you're going to go ahead and click Library. Here's where the magic happens. You can see lots of different playlists down here, but that's not what we want. We want to go to Your Videos here on the top. And here are all the videos that I have created for this particular channel. I can sort these if I wanted to by videos, shorts, or live. If I click this little icon right here, the first one, I can go by most viewed, or I could go by most recent. This is helpful particularly if you have a lot of videos on your YouTube channel. Scroll, scroll, scroll until you find the video that you want to delete. And again, you can see there's a little ellipsis here on the right-hand side, the three dots, click that. Lots of options that you can do right here. Save to playlist, share video, edit in advanced settings in YouTube Studio, or you can go ahead and click Delete Forever. And then again, it's going to prompt you, delete this video, and you would go ahead and click delete. Now, I certainly do not want to delete this video in real time. I'm going to go back to my home page here by clicking the left-hand side, this little home button down here. And then this time, if I wanted to delete a video that I had saved to a playlist that maybe was somebody else's, I'm going to click Library. I'm going to click this Watch Later and see what I've saved in here. Ooh, look at this. Connect with your divine aspect. I love meditations and have my own meditation channel. But again, here on the right-hand side, click those three dots. And here's what you could do is you could remove from your Watch Later, or you could remove it from a playlist depending upon if you went in through the playlist route. Click the video on screen now for some additional YouTube tips and tricks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.